Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. I have seen in the media regarding a woman advocate complaining regarding the assault on her, attempt to outrage her modesty by a Bar Council of AP member. Before starting the video, I am carefully cautioning that I do not know the facts. I am just believing the version and the media report. If it is false, we will be happy. If it is true, definitely the person has to be arrested. No doubt he may be any influential person. Right? Here, the heading is, a woman lawyer was assaulted in the court premises at Guntur. A woman lawyer was assaulted in the Guntur new court premises itself by another lawyer, another male lawyer who is a Bar Council member, Bar Council of AP member. So this is the allegation. Coming to the incident proper, the incident relates to crime number 317 by 2023, registered under sections 354 of the IPC, 323 and 506 of NAGARAMPALEM Police Station. 354, of course, the general 354 is given. You all know that section 354 is divided into four parts. General 354 is a very simple, not a simple offense, which says that somebody or the accused attempted to outrage her modesty by pulling her by the paita and all these things. Normally we used to put sections like that. 323 is voluntarily causing hurt, that is simple hurt. Simple hurt means maybe he might have attempted or he might have beaten her with a slipper or something like that. Let us see it later. 506 of the IPC, that is threatening or intimidation, we can call it as. So intimidation is punishment under section, punishable under section 506 of the IPC. Right. As per the complaint given by Bodapati Vasavi, daughter of Subbareddy, aged about 5 years in R. Agraharam, Ramanand Tirtha Agraharam at Guntur, who is a practicing advocate at Guntur. As per allegations, on 4/9/2023, around 12 noon or so, while she was in the court premises, this advocate came back from her. The story behind is that this advocate, Bodapati Vasavi, she applied for the post of the so-called additional PP in 5th additional court. 5th additional court means it may be additional district judge. She might have applied for the post of PP. So there is no application normally. The nomination will be sent. Actually, the district judge will be calling for the nominations, and after seeing whether this particular lawyer has completed 7 years of service in the law and what are the cases in which he has attended, whether he can do the job of the public prosecutor properly or not. Basing on all these things, the district judge will prepare a panel of advocates and they will be sent to the so-called law secretary, and law secretary will appoint one of them as the public prosecutor. This is the routine procedure. I think there are some ruffles or there are some disputes between this woman and the so-called Bar Council of AP member. So the allegation is on that particular day, that is on 4/9/2023, just 2 days back, around 12 noon, the accused came from backside and slapped her with a slipper on her cheek, yes, 323 cheek, and kicked her with legs and called her, abused her in abusive language. According to the FIR, Hosei Lanja, why did you give application? Why did you give the application for the post of the PP? So I know so many elders in YCP, you don't get the post. Why unnecessarily you are applying for this? So, and actually he showed finger or he pointed towards her and threatened her also. So this is nothing but high-handed behavior. If it is true, should not be allowed. That to a woman advocate, whatever application may be, whether she is, even though she is at fault, she should not have acted like that. It is not correct if it is true. Of course, nowadays false cases are coming. We don't know whether it is a fact or not, but FIR is registered basing on that email. I am making this video. So to conclude, I want to tell you, don't resort to such things. See, an FIR was registered against you. You have to be treated like an accused. There's no other go. No doubt. You can go to the court. You can file a quash petition in the High Court. But it is a botheration. Why should you deal with a woman in such a way? That too, man in high position. That is another point. Suppose I am an elder man. I can't act like a junior boy. A boy of 20 years, I can't act. That's why I have been telling you people, particularly the students, whatever is spoken to me should be advantageous to you. Whatever spoken by me should be for your guidance only. Whatever spoken by me should not spoil you. Before speaking to you, before giving the lecture, I will be thinking in all these lines. That's why I get prepared even for 1 hour to deliver a lecture of about 45 minutes. So that should be the spirit. But unnecessarily picking up quarrels, embroiling in such situations, going to the police stations, FIR, all these things which are not necessary. So please read the professional ethics and definitely you will not involve in such activities. So take it as a bad example. Thank you.